Good morning, my name is Santiago Edixon Moreno Preciado. This is my video of the Task 5 pronunciation practice. First, reading. Read the following text. Try to make your best effort pronouncing the symbols. Don't forget to have in mind ring, intonation, and stress. Teachers pretest the pretests last 1 week. The teachers want smaller classes and better money. They say that there must be more stuff in schools. Schools say that there is not money. However, teachers do not believe that. They say that schools spend the money on different things. Second, minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words that vary by only a single sound. These sounds may confuse English learners, then pronounce them having in mind this variation of the sounds. Cat, bat, white, wise, right, rod, kite, night, take, stick, coat, coat, pin, beam, till, pill, teach, pitch, day, pay, big, pig, deal, pill, deck, back, date, bait, tall, call, tall, wool, tape, cape, tote, coat, town, gone, tea, guy, tap, gap, tool, goal, tag, gag, table, gable, tin, pin, tail, pail, thumb, thumb, tick, big. Third, intonation and stress. Read the following sentence having in mind the suprasegmental features. Statements with 3 stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with 4 stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statements with 5 stresses. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special questions following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, raising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General questions raising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request raising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions raising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does you read this book in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That questions falling or raising intonation. You don't know then, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You were late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Comments following intonation. Tell me truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Requests raising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence. Falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I am so happy. Your address reading intonation. Hella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating reading intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Responses. I can, cheese. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't. Thank you very much.